Is your boat covered when it's not in the water? Picture this. You're driving home from a perfect day on the water when someone rear ends your trailer. Your boat's damaged, but when you call your auto insurance, they tell you they won't cover it. Sound familiar? At Vermost Insurance, we hear this story all the time. Most boat owners assume their vessel is protected everywhere it goes. But the truth is, your boat faces different risks when it's not in the water, and not all of them are covered. When your boat is being towed and gets damaged in an accident, your auto policy typically only covers damage to your vehicles, not your boat itself. Any damage to your watercraft needs to be covered by your boat insurance policy, specifically what's called physical damage coverage. Without it, you're paying out of pocket. Now let's talk about storage, because this is where it's going to get tricky. At-home storage. If you park your boat in your driveway or your garage, you might think your homeowner's insurance has you covered. Unfortunately, most homeowners policies specifically exclude motorized watercraft from coverage, even for basic things like theft or storm damage. Off-site storage. Storing your boat at a marina, boatyard, or dry stock facility. Here's what you need to know. The marina's insurance only covers their property and operations, not your boat. You're still responsible for protecting your own vessel. Plus, many insurance companies require you to tell them exactly where your boat is stored. If a storm hits an unapproved location, you could be denied coverage entirely. Here are the gaps that catch boat owners off guard. Trailers and equipment. If your boat is stolen, but you haven't specifically added trailer coverage, you might only get reimbursed for the whole electronics and accessories. That expensive fish finder or sound system usually needs to be listed separately to be covered. Geographic restrictions. Some insurers limit where you can store your boat year-round. The bottom line is, your boat needs year-round protection whether it's cruising the intercoastal waterway or sitting in storage. The good news, we can help you identify these gaps and make sure you're covered everywhere your boat goes. Don't wait until you're dealing with damage to discover you're not covered. Call one of our trusted insurance advisors today at 727-748-2886 for a free policy review. We'll make sure your boat has the protection it deserves on the water and off.